Sanatana Deka, a man from Teteliya village near Hajo in Kamrup district, was beaten to death over a mere issue. So this man used to work in a factory which got shut because of the lockdown. So to feed his family, he came out in his bicycle selling few vegetables. But some media reports say that accidentally he hit a car. Some media reports also say that it was a Vespa. So whatever, कोई जानबूझ के तो अपनी साइकिल से किसी की गाड़ी में धक्का नहीं मारेगा, क्योंकि धक्का लगने के बाद साइकिल ही है जो ज़्यादा डैमेज होगी, है ना. And the owner of the car along with his few friends beaten him to death. Good thing is that within 38 hours of the report of the murder, the Kamrup police has arrested the two prime accused, Fazul Haq and Yusuf Ahmed. And I would like to share a comment I got on Facebook that mere arrest of these two people is not the solution. Proper investigation should take place and then justice should be delivered to the victim. So here is the comment. And when found guilty, strictest legal actions should be taken against them and they should not be spared. They should never be spared. This is not only my voice. This is the voice of my Muslim colleagues. This is the voice of my juniors. This is the voice of my seniors and my relatives. And I believe that this is the voice of the responsible Muslim citizens of this country, of Assam, of Silchar, of wherever. Because in a hadith, the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ said that, do you know what is better than charity, fasting and prayer? It's keeping peace and good relation with people, as quarrels and bad feeling destroys mankind. Get united and rise above hatred, and we will be doing this together. Jazakallah khair, may Almighty reward you good health.